And video.
So 15 are supposed to be roosters, and then 35 are supposed to be hens from Crackle Hatchery. I already saw one was dead. I was gonna tag the males, but I don't know how I can tell. Those must be the males. Yeah, they're colored. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Might be 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This would be 18. 1, 2, 3. Oops, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So whatever those numbers add up to. I am assuming these spots are the males. We only have one dead on arrival. It's not bad. Poor guy. Okay. And I'm going to zip tie the males for now. So I wanna keep track of the males because if we get an extra, I want males that are sexable the way that they're vent sexing them. Because if they're not sexable, I really don't want them because it is valuable to be able to tell the difference. I do need to check on these in about every week. I need to make sure they're big enough. So that's the first male. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go like this. Every chick. Go like this. Boop. Little drip of water on the beak. There you go. Okay, one other male. Doop, doop, doop. Toesies. I know the little head tattoo might last long enough, but just in case. Another one. Go. There you go. He's drinking already. So he now knows where to go. You're so feisty. Male.